Hello everyone, hopefully you can hear me here. I want to just double check. Yeah, it looks like the mic's working. Um, I've installed my headset. I'm going to install the icon on the desktop for EverQuest P99. So I had stored the file I copied over here in the C drive program x86, the Sony folder. Then I need to go into the EverQuest. I believe on this, the start file was a bin file, I think, right? I don't know if it was the bin or the INI file I needed to use to start this. It's been so long I forgot, so let's pull the browser over here. Let's go. Grabbing the wrong mouse. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe I should go to not the wiki, but P99 and look. I think it's the bin file or the exe. I don't know. I forget. So I'll just look it up. Setup guide. Do not launch the game with the titanium. Never launch exe. Did I miss what it said? To launch the game, use the launch titanium file found in your directory. This should have been extracted from the files. Because the patch changes it, so let's look at launch titanium. Let's search that. Here it is. It's a batch file. So we're going to right click this and do send to desktop. Show more options, I guess. Let's see. Send to desktop, create a shortcut. So now I should have that on the desktop here. I think I'm recording both screens. So now what I want to do is I just want to double check that this launches. Which it should. Yeah, okay. Let's decline that. Now what I'm going to do is right click this. And we need to do properties. Let's see, show more options. Let's do properties. And we're going to go to the tab. It's this shortcut. So we want to go to the advanced. Now you could click the run as administrator if you want, but we want to change the icon right here. See this? So what we're going to do is hit that, and then we're going to go into browse. I'm going to go in and choose one of the game icons. rather than, I think those are icon files. Yeah, right there. So I want to just click one of those, hit open, hit OK, hit apply, and now instead of the bin standard graphic, it now shows launch titanium, which we can right click and do rename. And instead of launch titanium, we can call this EverQuest Project 1999. So now I need to change my mouse and keyboard, but I'm going to go ahead and log in and see how the UI looks here. I'll post this video and just double check that the recording sounds okay and all that. Computer seems to be doing fine. Then I have to go through and install the quorum and all that. That's a similar process, I guess. I can just download the files and transfer them over. That way I don't have to redo the UIs or any of that stuff. So let's choose log into the green server here. Alright, relaunch this. This sometimes happens. The client will crash. I just want to see how smooth the gameplay is with this card. It should be fine. I mean, I don't see any issues. I mean, it's a better card than, well, EverQuest was played on back in 99 up to, what, 2005 or whatever. And it is a gaming rig, so I don't see how there should be an issue. I'm used to having two cards or, well, not worrying about it, you know, because usually the computers, unless I upgrade them, they do what I need to do, or they're built or upgraded. Years ago, I tried to keep up with the Joneses, so to speak. I don't do that anymore with this stuff because 6 months later or 2 months later, there's a new whiz-bang faster one. So. I mean, about the faster you get, I mean, they're just stacking multiple core processors nowadays. Looks good. Everything's right where it should be. Of course, I'm playing on a bigger screen. To me, I mean, the screen will look however it looks on your side, but I need to camp out here and hook up my mouse and keyboard because some of my sit-stand things aren't a click. It's a button on my thumb. So I wouldn't be able to... Well, I could play, but it would take me a minute to realize that I can't use my thumb like I normally do with my regular mouse. But the mouse that's with it seems nice. I like the color pattern on it. It changes. Looks pretty, I guess, if you want a visual on your computer desk. So now you see how to do that. So have a good one.